That was once you have that common value working towards, that is the last thing on your, at least for us, it was the last thing on our mind. We didn't even think, that never crossed our mind. We wanted to work together. I wanted to be home with the kids. You set to expand the practice and provide, and we worked as a team.
That is it. And it sounds so simple. Can't say it's easy because I don't think people are just aware of that. So, but that's the number one thing you got to do though. In order to make good, sound decisions, you got to have value-based decision
Decisions.
making.
Yeah.
So, determine your values.
Yeah.
Because
Almost
once you get your values, the next thing you do is set what?
set your goals. And then you achieve them. Work towards them.
Yeah. The ones I think about working around family is we wanted to have experiences for our children
Yeah.
versus buy things. If we ever get, come say Cabbage Patch Kids, I don't know what the dolls are. American Girl
American
doll.
Girl dolls. We didn't want a house full of toys and American Girl dolls. We let them have some toys, but not, it wasn't overflowing with a ton of toys and a ton of things.
Yeah. And so one big thing that I remember is part of our experiences. We used to go travel to different countries or beaches, what have you. And I've always tried to convince you to, hey, let's go RVing.
And he would drop little hints here and there, watching YouTube together, and he would drop little hints.
And finally I convinced you.
Yeah.
Right. And so what happened? So what's your experience with traveling and seeing different places with the RVing?
It's been phenomenal. Okay, he got me. Got me very much in love with it because you're the family's together. It's in a tight space. However, when you have your own bed, your own pillow, your own clothes, bring as much clothes as you want, and you have your own food that you can continue your lifestyle and show your children this beautiful country of ours. And that's something that will last for them forever and making wonderful memories. Just some simple as having time together around a fire pit. It's so funny. When you and I are outside fire pitting at an RV park, we think the kids will be inside watching TV on their device. Oh no, they're outside with us in the cold, in the rain. They're enjoying it. It's been wonderful, and we have shown them how, I don't know how many, I lost track of how many states we've.
Like 38. Olivia, our oldest daughter, has been to me, I think, 38 states out of the 50.
And we're trying to show her as much as we can before she goes off to university.
Yeah. And if it wasn't for our values to have that goal, man, I think it's invaluable no matter what it may cost us to have the RV, the truck, travel around with gas, RV parks, the time away from work. That investment, it's, you don't have to question it because that's what our value was, and we made it decide to make it happen.
Yeah, and another way of that value happening, it's like he knows I like comfort, so you made sure that we're traveling comfortably,
Yeah, yeah,
right? So
yeah.
it was a give and take. It wasn't something where it was some horrible RV situation, or we're staying in horrible parks.
Yeah.
And staying in nice parks, comfortable parks, where we could enjoy ourselves and feel safe and feel secure. And you wanted to provide that for us, yet at the same time achieve your goal, which is to show these children this country.
Yeah.